Hello, we're at the Greater New York meeting. My name is Leif Ebert, the president of VOCO America. And we're here with Dr. Douglas Terry from Houston. Hi,
how are you?
Terry, how are you doing? You're one of our customers, and what do you like about VOCO products?
You know, I like the fact that they have research and science, they use science with their products, but I also like the fact that they listen to, the manufacturers listen to the dentist, the clinician. And of course, some of their products like Ameris has really been something special, and they really come forward with their composite resin, and it's excellent restorative material. Of course, they're listening to the laboratory technicians and also the clinicians, and that's how you get A products.
Yeah, you've been around the world, you do lectures in every continent, and you were exposed to many materials, many composites.
Yes.
What are the features that you really like about Ameris?
I like the fact that you've got a dentin shade and you've got an enamel shade, and it's simple. Because many times they have too many different shades, and if you know color and you work with color a little bit, you can really work it out. We call it, Carl Leinfelder and I, we've used your product, and we call it dual placement technique. You know, it's like we want to be able to do a restoration, but we don't want it to take 2 hours. So we do a DO or an MOD, and we do it in 10 or 15 minutes, but we do a great adhesive response. We do a very good job of adhesion. So we know it's all at the interface, and we want to use adhesive protocol properly, which you guys are leaders in. We follow that, and we do it in a very simplified and efficient way.
Yeah.
And I think you guys have led in that direction.
Yeah, definitely.
I think you call your system the aesthetic concept.
Yeah, we call it the simplified aesthetic composite.
It's right down our alley, because interesting is you can lay two composites together, you get the polychromatic effect, you get a very natural restoration, but you're not sitting there for 2 hours doing a restoration.
Yeah. Can you maybe describe it, with 2 sentences for your colleagues, how this Ameris system works?
Well, they have shade tabs, which are very nice. And over the years, I've tried to get companies to do this, and there's just several now that are doing that. And what you do is you have the system ready for you in composite resin. And we know that it's the accuracy of that because it's in the resin, it's not in ceramics, because ceramics don't match that composite resin. Nor do you get the true opacities and translucencies with the unfilled resins that they usually make them with.
Yeah, we always tell our customers, what you see is what you get.
Exactly, exactly.
That's what it is.
And so I think that when we take these and we take their dentin layers, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, and then they take their translucencies, the translucency, neutral, light, and you take those and you layer them over the composite resins, you'll get a different color integration. And I think that the research and the science that you've had behind it is exceptional.
Well, thank you very much for your compliments.
We talk about color sometimes, and my teacher, Willie Geller, and I redefine color. We talk about the primary optical properties, which are euchromo and value, and then we talk about the secondary, which are opalescence, translucence, iridescence, and all of those, fluorescence. But interesting is, if we look at this composite resin, this is Ameris by VOCO. And if you look at it, it has all the secondary optical properties that we can create natural aesthetics, okay?
Yeah.
But it requires form and imagination, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But I want to ask you something. When you look in there, do you see any hydroxyapatite crystals?
No, I don't.
Do you see any dentinal tubules?
No.
Enamel rods? So see, we don't have those, but we have the secondary optical properties. And with our imagination and form and color, we can create what? The illusion of natural aesthetics.
Yeah. Aesthetics.
Which is most important, yes?
Yeah.
Form and aesthetics.
For more information about VOCO, visit their website at vocoamerica.com.